Are you feeling less energetic, noticing a drop in strength, or experiencing changes in your sex drive as you age? Could testosterone therapy be the solution, or are the risks greater than the rewards? Let's break it all down so you can make an informed decision. First, let's talk about testosterone. It's the key male hormone produced primarily in the testicles, responsible for bone density, muscle strength, body hair, red blood cell production, and yes, sex drive and sperm production. But here's the thing. Testosterone naturally declines as you age, starting around 30 or 40. So if you're feeling sluggish, less motivated, or noticing changes in muscle mass, is low testosterone to blame? Maybe, but not necessarily. Other factors like stress, poor sleep, thyroid problems, diabetes, or even medications could be causing these symptoms. That's why doctors use blood tests to confirm low testosterone. For men diagnosed with hypogonadism, a condition where the body can't produce enough testosterone, therapy can be life-changing. It can restore energy, muscle mass, and even sex drive. But what about healthy men looking for a youth boost? Well, that's where things get tricky. Some men swear they feel younger and stronger with testosterone therapy, but research shows the benefits are mostly limited to sexual function, and even then, it's not a magic bullet for energy or vitality. In fact, the American College of Physicians doesn't recommend it for aging alone. Before you consider testosterone therapy, you need to know the risks. It can worsen sleep apnea, cause acne, enlarge the prostate, shrink testicles, and even increase the risk of blood clots. Some studies even suggest a link to heart disease, so it's definitely not something to take lightly. Good news. There are natural ways to support healthy testosterone levels. Losing excess weight, strength training, getting quality sleep, and managing stress can all help maintain optimal hormone levels without the risks of therapy. So, should you get testosterone therapy? If you have a medical condition like hypogonadism, talk to your doctor. But if you're just looking for a fountain of youth, natural lifestyle changes might be your best bet. What are your thoughts on testosterone therapy? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health insights, and I'll see you in the next one.